What's up guys? So we're back here with another showcase video. These are our Vicrez VCORSA Performance VT101 tires. These are our 305 35R tires, and we are also launching a whole line of these if you want to go check them out on the Vicrez website. Now, our other tires aren't currently up yet, but we are launching them very soon, so stay tuned for that. And we also have an install video up on our Vicrez YouTube channel if you want to go check that out for these VT101s. Now, these things are amazing. They have an A rating in temperature up to 250 degrees, and for traction, they also have an A rating, which means no matter what you're doing, whether slipping and sliding in rain, you'll still always be able to catch grip. These are also a soft compound tire, which is perfect for daily use. Now, that's pretty much it for these tires. If you want to see more videos like this and our upcoming line of tires, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.